park ranger goes by, and then we're like, fire up the grill!
Oh, there's a squirter.
All the pinks, like baby pink. This is my favorite, hot pink.
How you guys doing today? We are out here getting it. It's pretty windy, so hopefully you can hear me all right. We had a little rough time getting the boats off the trailer. Normally we just back it down and Kim will drive it off. We got some wind. This is kind of like the borderline is for us taking the boat out. A little bit windy right now, but it's gonna die down between 2 and 5, and that's when we're gonna be coming back, so we should be fine. But it is gonna be a little windy. We got some waves out here today. So Saturday, just out here, gonna try to make the most of it. Don't know exactly where we're gonna go yet. There was not really many boats at the boat ramp, so usually that's not a good sign if you're the only one out here. But we're gonna be safe, and we're gonna go try one of our spots, maybe our Friday spot. Our last video, we took the day off of work again, and what we're trying to do is every month during boating season to take off one day. So we went to a nice spot. I think we're gonna call it our Friday spot, and I keep saying spot. So I'm gonna put a link in the description over here somewhere. Check out that video. That was definitely fun. Also, I crashed the drone in the water, so we talk about that. Had to send it out to DJI to get it repaired, and it's almost the cost of a brand new drone. So they do have that DJI care. I should have probably gotten that. I did not. So it's crashing your drone in the water is not under warranty. So I went ahead and paid the money, so I just gotta wait for them to fix it and send it back. So we're probably not gonna have any drone shots today unless I stick some in from a previous trip. But let me just show you guys really quick here what we're working with. So definitely windier. We got some waves. Waves aren't too bad, but definitely got a little bit of wind. So let me let you talk to Kim real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and get going with this.
What's up, everyone? Looking forward to another day on the water. Very beautiful out today, although it is very windy. Yeah, hopefully we see some wildlife. And thank you, everyone, for coming along on our adventures, liking, subscribing, doing all the YouTube things. We are very close to monetization, and looking forward to it. We'll do a video on that here soon too.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm taking us out today. Normally Kim does, but it's a little bit wavy. I think she feels maybe a little bit more comfortable me doing it, and then maybe she'll bring us back in. We'll see what's going on, or maybe she'll just take the day off. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. All right, so we're gonna go to Shell Key. Kim wants a little bit of beach today. We got some boats over there already. We're coming in a little shallow area here. All right, so we're aiming for that palm tree thing. A little bit more. All right, then go ahead and start your turn and then back it up. You're doing good, doing good, perfect.
Seems good.
All right, so we did it. We are good here. they need any help, you know, you.
He's swimming back to the boat. He's got it.
You got it. Yeah. So that.
She's tightening the rope. Look, she's tightening the line.
All right. I think they have it. If they were closer, I'd probably go offer some help or something maybe. So offer some help.
I feel like there's lots of videos where we're like, yeah, we could have helped.
We could have helped. we could have helped.
We could have helped. We're just assholes over here.
If they were really struggling, we could have helped. They got this, you know.
Maybe if it wasn't still mimosa hour, then I would have gone to help.
Correct. It's still mimosa hour. They're in no apparent danger or anything like that. So. It's supposed to get less windy, not more windy. So we're setting up the blankets. We got the bimini top up.
Let's get a little shade here. We're pretty shaded.
So if this boat's a rockin', don't be coming and knocking. Oh shoot!
Set down in my way. Get out of here!
Trying to get some footage. The shade is nice, but make sure you got your sunscreen on and all that good stuff. Let's go, next chair. Cool. So we're just kind of getting the stuff set up here. Then we're gonna go on shore.
Gotta go look for shells.
Oh yeah. All right,
Shell key.
What's up? Cool. There's bud. Shell key. I don't think anyone's gonna be swimming up here.
PG channel.
PG channel, we're gonna have to edit out that word.
No, but of all the pinks, like baby pink, this is my favorite. Hot pink. Pink is my signature color. Oh, I do not have my signature parasol out today because it is too windy and it would probably invert and fly away.
That is true. That is true. All right, there's the couple. Hey, what's up? Cool, cool. Good. How you guys doing?
Good, good.
Cool.
Big sandball.
A sample. Cool, cool.
They got the burgers going.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Yeah. That's cool. So they got the whole setup right there.
Yeah.
Oh, they do have twins. Oh. Oh, shoot.
That's a lot of firepower.
Look at that. The whole back part there. The platform. Yeah.
You got fresh water back there? Yes.
No.
What year is that? Year.
Here.
2020.
2021.
21.
No, 23.
23.
Oh,
This one is 20.
wow.
Very nice. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Beautiful.
Love it. Beautiful boat. Yeah. So it's a 36 footer. Oh, there's a squirter.
I wonder who's squirting her.
I don't know. Who's doing all this squirting? So it's a Boston whaler. Now that Regal, that is really nice. That's a 36 foot.
I like that back deck.
Yeah, the back deck.
I mean, that'd be so easy to like scuba off of, right? Like with the.
Oh,
the back
yeah, for sure. That was nice. So, so a 36 foot Regal. Oh, what we got going on here? Sand castle.
We got the white coated sand.
Cool.
We're building a wall, inner barrier wall.
Oh, to protect.
Phenomenal engineering, yeah.
Yeah, you guys pulled.
Not coming in, so it's
Yeah, I don't know. I'm the project manager.
You
but
pulled permits for this?
I don't know.
Yeah.
this job isn't permanent. We're gonna have to shut you
You guys shut it
down.
down.
Yeah.
There you go. I mean, yeah, you could just.
Do a walking tour here, babe.
Oh yeah, you could do that.
What's going on here? This looks like something Jackson would do.
It's a booby trap. Booby trap. All right, here's another boat. That it kind of is that like a Regal as well.
Ooh, that's nice.
That one's. Oh, it's a Sea Ray. So.
Oh, I like that T-top.
So you got Sea Rays and Regals, kind of similar.
Similar, yeah. It doesn't have as big of a deck. It probably does have fresh water back there, though.
Yeah, a lot of boats
You
will
got
have
seating in
that,
the back?
fresh water. Yep.
Oh, he's over there. He's in the water.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's got the stains, but still, I mean, that's a nice boat. That is, you got. That's very nice. Yeah, you got the
I
room.
don't see any fresh water.
Do you have to have freshwater rooms?
Yeah, if I'm gonna have a boat that big, I want.
They might have it.
Especially if we're diving off of it.
Most of the boats do have that. Yeah. Guys, we're camping here.
That would be so fun. We're gonna make it a fort.
Yeah, it's like making a fort there. That is cool. All right, so we got Bunce's Pass off in the distance there. Let me show you guys real quick. Definitely a popular spot. We're over here at Shell Key. Shell Key, you can see you can camp out here at Shell Key. That's what these people are doing.
Fire? You gotta get a permit to have a fire, but we can bring our grill over here. So sometimes we go to places where you can't bring your grill, right? We have a boat grill, but it's kind of a pain in the ass. But we like it here because you can just put the grill out and not worry. We still grill where we're not supposed to, and we just time it. Like park ranger goes by, and then we're like, fire up the grill.
Yeah, you can't grill at Fort DeSoto. We've got in trouble before. Oh, our chairs. Our chairs get got. We chilling here in the chairs? Oh, these old bones. All right, so now we're just gonna chill here, relax, and we'll get something to eat in a little while or something. But for now, we're just gonna relax and enjoy the day. So. All right, it's world famous sandwich time. We got these homemade pups up where we get all the ingredients from Publix. We get the hoagie rolls, we get the turkey, we get the bacon. Kim cooks it all up. We got the provolone cheese. She's got some other stuff on hers.
Guac. Guacamole.
Guacamole. Lettuce,
tomato.
Smell later.
No, I mean, I love bacon. Usually mine is about as big as it can get before it starts like spilling out.
Yeah. It did get pretty cloudy over there. Alright, so we're gonna fish up these sandwiches and then back with you guys in a bit. What's going on? All right, so we just took a little nap. That felt great. So we got some cloud out here. We still got some wind. The waves are definitely have died down a bit, so it'll be a smoother ride on the way back. So now we're just gonna kind of pack some stuff up here, kind of do some of our prep work. It's like 2:26. We'll probably be leaving in the next half hour or so. We got the beach chairs over there. So I'm gonna go get those. Kim is working on the blanket and then the bimini. So we're just gonna do a little prep work, get ready to go. It's definitely busier over here now. There's some other people just chilling and having a good time. That's really what it's about. Just coming out here to Shell Key and just enjoying it. Jet ski. It's still nice out. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of start doing putting some stuff away, and then we'll take some more footage and all that good stuff and keep y'all updated. So see y'all in a bit. All right, so we just finished the rest of putting everything away, getting everything somewhat stowed here. There we go, somewhat stowed. We got that put away. So we're gonna go ahead and start just packing things up. We're gonna take off that stern anchor first. We're gonna get that. I'll get that, and then the other thing too is once I pull that stern anchor, we're gonna start to drift a little bit. We're gonna turn this way, no big deal. There's no other boats there, so I don't have to worry. If it was a bit more, if we were more packed in here, I'd probably need a little assistance, but we're gonna be okay. Still a bit windy, but I think we're gonna have a nice ride on the way back. So it's been a nice day here at Shell Key. Different, I'd say this is a different day for sure. Not super hot. We had some sun, but now it's kind of cloudy. It's a little windy, but we're still out here getting it. That's the main thing. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and fish this up, and then I think we'll see y'all in the next one.